I have built my 12th app of the year, tying tying my record from last year when I built 12 apps in 6 months. Um, the goal is to build 26 MVPs. However, at the time of this video, it is now 21, but I still advertise at 26. It might actually drop down to 20, who knows, or less, because I don't know how much time I have. Uh, but this is Mo Moods. Mo Moods is a way to track and log your moods and how you're feeling, your emotions. You can view your stats. You can kind of reflect. Not really, but there's notes. Well, you can like track your journey, track your progress. And my favorite part is the community vibe. So discover how others are feeling around you with the map. Let me actually get that going. Not there. This one. Got my YouTube channel here. We'll come back to this later. Back to the app. So, get started. Let's log a mood. You can say I'm feeling happy. Whoa, I'm feeling happy. And we'll say, oh, it's tough when you're using a mouse. Built my 12th app this year. Let's say work, put it as a project, save it, and you can see it logged right there. Let's log another one. Okay, I have to go to work tomorrow and still having car problems. Okay, fixing my camera. We'll save that. And all right, we got a few logged in. So now if we go to stats, you can see your stats, right? How you feeling? You can see monthly, yearly, all that fun stuff, right? And lastly, there isn't a map on here, but I will come back and finish this up in May. Some of you may know, I'm going to circle back in May to build this, but it's not in the app. Instead, I'm going to be, well, I'll show you what I got, but basically when you click on this, you'll be brought to a link to the map, right? And the map is, I use V0 to build it out for me right here. Oh, no, what's going on? No, stop it. Oh, shoot. What the hell just happened? Let's go back. What in the world? It better be this one. Alright. Oh my gosh. Give me a second. Okay. Anyway, I had V0 use it. Well, I put my Mapbox token in here. Mapbox is kind of pricey, but it's really nice and I like it. We'll see how expensive it gets. Maybe I'll use an alternative. Most likely I will because it is pretty pricey, but for now, this is okay. But users will be brought here to see their moods if they want to share it, which I'll get into details later. But you can search an address, and there should be a way to ask for the user's location. Error getting location, yeah, and it'll go to the user's location. Has been disabled in this document by permissions policy. Yeah, so we'll have to ask user for permissions. But you can kind of see a heat map up here. So imagine going to New York and you can see that people are feeling sad, happy, angry based on what people log. Now, how this works is you can contribute to the map. So you grant access to the location and you can choose to share your mood for the map creation. So you can toggle this on and off. So it's anonymous. So the only thing I'm grabbing is the person's mood, your current mood or your last mood that you logged here, and your location. Well, and not the precise location. I don't need that, and I don't want to know where you guys are. But the way I will do it is all that will be stored in MongoDB and pretty much based on city. So like I'll just use the geolocation, like see maybe geofencing or whatever to kind of see. Well, I don't think it's geofencing, but I'll be just using the city to like see and average out people's moods. So right, so all this data will be in MongoDB. I won't know who it belongs to. I'll just know I have moods and locations, and I'll use it to get the city and populate the map, right? So all that will be aggregated here, and you'll be able to open it up on a Safari, right? Now I'm not sure how Mapbox does it. It might be pricey. No, not might be. It will be. But it was using React Map GL, which is cool. And there's a video I made that's coming out about like how AI is cool, but it would have been nice to be able to work on this. But if I did, this app would not have been able to be built um, as quickly as it was able to. As quickly as I was able to build it, right? So I'll have all this data in MongoDB. Okay, where was I going with this or something else? Uh, oh, let's do the ceremony of marking this complete. So Mo Moods will go down here for done, right? And we will go to 6 month breakdown. And this was our last app for for February. I'm behind right now. Uh, so yeah, we have to figure out how to build 5 apps in a month because it's these apps right here that I need to figure out, and kind of Cali because I'm doing zero base. Although I might pick another one to do. I don't even remember the idea I submitted. But I might just do a different one. Yeah, I could do a different one. Oh, I will do a different one. Okay. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to go back here and we are going to talk about what we need to polish up in this app, right? So this is for Mo Moods. All right. We need to basically finish the map on zero base. Oh, no, I said zero base on V0. Set up MongoDB and get users location. Need permissions. Need permission for both web and mobile. So location and set up MongoDB. Set up to work on iOS and web app. Last thing is domain name. Do we need a domain name? Do I need to go on to GoDaddy and buy another domain name? We'll find out. Some of these will pretty much be all good. Others will be done in a day, in a weekend, but we'll figure it all out. And also I need to, get the screenshots and stuff. So there's a lot to kind of do. And also some of these need to be put behind a paywall, which I'm going to highlight. Put a paywall, make money. I'll change the color of this because we need an eye catcher. I'll make it green. Nah, that's green doesn't count. We'll put red for urgency. All right, y'all. That's the app. Ooh, that's the app. That's the update. Came out really nice. Pretty not too bad. A little different from the designs, but pretty much the same. Kind of simplified it, but it's looking good. It's looking good. And the map won't be happening on mobile. It'll be happening on the web. But that's all I got. 12th app done. Tied my record. It's a little iffy because the other apps were made with V0. But I'm gonna count them because at the end of the day, it's all about building, prototyping, seeing what people like, things like that. Yeah, now the last thing. I have a video coming out called March Planning. But you'll see what I'm planning for March. And what I'm gonna be doing this week, or what I'm gonna be doing tonight, is planning out this week. So what kind of planning or preparation do I have to do before March? So I gotta fix my car and all this stuff. So yeah, Mo Moods, we can mark it done, y'all. I love doing this. All right, this is what we got. Preparation. Figuring out what we're gonna do. March is gonna be my busiest month, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to all the apps I want to so bad. I can always come back to them, but I really want them done. Like this one can be done. This one can be done. More problems is difficult because I want this app to be beautiful. Like I want this app to be so beautiful and soothing and simple and minimalistic. So I'm gonna make a note of that right now. Um, so one thing, new idea for zero base task. And we'll say all right, that's all I got for y'all. I'm gonna stay up a little bit later tonight and figure out how I'm gonna do this. And I will schedule this video to be released probably Friday. Yeah, just so y'all can like boom, 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 and you know not bombard y'all with videos in one day. Man, I'm burnt out. Not really. I'm not burnt out at all. I'm more frustrated because it's hard to balance social life. And I've been trying to communicate to people, be like, "Oh, look, listen, we'll hang out soon. Just let me do what I gotta do." And people still want to hang out with me in March, so I can't wait to build Cali. Can't wait to build this app. Like, I do not care if nobody uses that app. I'm gonna use that app. Like that app right there is gonna be the one. All right, that's all we got. Let's close out of this. Oh, it would have been nice to learn this. Uh, this one, let me get this URL. Place it here. You guys can leave if you want. No. Did I already do this for March planning? I did. That was going towards other people. Don't need that. Don't need that. But we will in the future. Oh, weather kit. Okay. I was gonna add like, you know, log the weather, and weather kit has this thing where you can add it in there. So grab that URL. Something else we'll put here. Very cool. We're done with this. We'll come back to that. Lift Miami Gymshark. I want to watch that, but I need to plan my gym workouts, which I can't wait to get to Mo Gains. I think what I'll do is 6-month breakdown. I'll go here. I got singer consultation. Oh shoot! I gotta respond to my logo guy. Shit. Excuse my language. Like I said, you guys can leave. Let me cut the video before people think they gotta watch it. Oh, it's a long ass video. All right, deuce.